Hello and welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll show you how to block orders if a certain item is ordered alone in Shopify. There are many ways to block orders if a certain item is ordered alone. In this video we will show you how to block one or more products using product tags. Here we can see that a free tag has been added to the tennis ball product. Let's open the Cart Lock app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several rule types here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which rule type contains it. Then you should select the matching rule type to continue setting up your rule. In this video, we're going to use the product tags condition. So first, we'll search for product tags in the search bar. Then we'll select the rule type where this condition is available. Essential 1 or Essential 2. If a condition is available in both types, you can select either one. We can see that the product tags condition is available in both Essential 1 and Essential 2. Since the collection condition is available in both types for this tutorial, we will choose the Essential 1, select this rule to continue. Click on the Add a Condition button under the Rules and Conditions section. Now scroll through the list and select Product Tags. You can also search for it. Searching is easier, so I will use the search option. For this example, we choose Block if found alone and enter the product tags we want. Here we add the tag Free. This means if a customer tries to buy a free tagged product by itself, the order will be blocked. They must add another product to the cart to place the order. Now, we will add a proper error message for the customers like, "This product can't be purchased alone. Please add another item to checkout." Then, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, the error message is displayed at the top of the checkout page, so the customer can't place the order and the order completion is fully blocked. This happens because the tennis ball is a free tagged product, and it was added alone, and this rule requires another product to be added to place the order. Customers will still be able to click the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom and express checkout buttons like PayPal or Google Pay, but the payment will not be completed. Let's try to place the order by clicking on the Pay or Complete Order button at the bottom. As expected, the order was not accepted. Now let's add another product and then check again. As you can see, the error message is gone, so now the customer can place the order again. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app. Happy selling!